All right. Good day to everyone. Welcome to SafuLane, and this is how we do it. Today we'll be having our class section, and our topic is covering exploring FriendTech, a product that is available on the base chain ecosystem. So, what is base chain? So, base chain is like a new layer 2 Ethereum chain. On-chain ecosystem. So it is another blockchain on itself, and recently base chain have been making some wave, and people have really been talking about it. So this lead us to, we trying to look at what are the things that we can try to see and that can be of benefit to us if we are going to base chain. So, but before we dive into base chain, we need to understand some basic information about base chain. So I'll be presenting my screen right now for us to quickly look at some information on that. So I'm starting to share my screen. All right, cool. So this is a quick documentation about base chain. Can you see my screen, please? If you can see my screen, identify so that I can proceed.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can be wallets.
All right, cool. So, this is just like one of their documents. Okay, how can we start using base chain? We can use base chain with Coinbase wallets. We can use it with other wallets like MetaMask. And what do we need to do to start using base chain on our MetaMask? It is a simple process whereby we need to just use this information, to add base chain to one of the network on MetaMask. So once this is done, then we can proceed to start transacting on that particular blockchain. So we can see their block explorer to be here. I think this is for testnet. Let me just be sure. All right, this is their main explorer, basescan.org. And that leads us to the next thing we'll be checking out, which is the what's the name? The FriendTech of a thing. So I'm gonna stop sharing my screen for a while just to quickly make sure that I am I'm on the right screen page, because what I did is just I tried to make a screenshot of some of the things that we might need, trying to know what FriendTech is all about, and trying to get ourselves tagged along with it. So FriendTech is basically a social media, social finance application, and the way it works, we will explain it in our previous video. You buy your friend shares, and when the shares grow, it gives you profit when the shares grow. And if there is no growth in a share, you probably might be having a static you might be in a static situation whereby the share of that your particular friend remain at that particular price. The price can come down or goes up. So we should just be aware of those scenarios. But today we will be checking what is exactly the right procedure to go about friend.tech on the base chain. But before I proceed, I would like us to know how we can actually connect how we can connect to the base chain itself, how we can have it as part of the chain we are using. It's not yet popular, or it is not yet in vogue like Ethereum by now. It is a very new chain that just got to be to be what everyone is interested in knowing about just of recent. So let's quickly explore how we can do this together. So I'll start sharing my screen again, and we can look at it together. All right. So on your MetaMask, when you open your MetaMask, you can navigate to your wallet settings. When you get to your wallet settings, you can then click on network. You can see as I'm presenting, you can click on network. When you click on network, you can go to enter the details. The details we checked on the document that was here, that I showed us earlier on. where is it? So we can enter these values into the space provided here. And once this is done, that is all. You are connected to the to the base chain network. Otherwise, if you want to use another route is by going through the chainlist.org. The link that I used to perform I'll drop it in the group and also make it available on our YouTube description so that people can follow the right procedure. So when you want to do it in an automatic way, you go to chainlist.org. This is it. So when you go to chainlist.org, you search for base, and once you search for base, all you have to do is to connect your wallet. So when you connect your wallet, it tells you to approve it. You click on the approve, and that is it. That is how it gets connected to your wallet. So right now we'll be moving to what FriendTech is all about. So I'm going to be opening FriendTech here. Let's see what FriendTech it is all about. So right now, most of the time, FriendTech is not going to work directly with your browser. You have to install it as an home screen to your home screen. Why is it being done like that? This is something called a progressive web application. It's a PWA application. It acts like a mobile application, but makes use of your in-app browser, like your normal browser, your default your default browser that comes with your device. But you don't really need to go to the app store to get it installed before it is working on your device. So that is one aspect of it. So you need to make sure you open it on your Safari, or if you are using Android, you use your default internet browser. Then here, this is how I did mine. I think I just click on this. Then okay, it wasn't here, but I had the screenshot done. So I'm gonna move to the screenshot where I did all that. So but let me stop sharing my screen to just I want to make sure that I'm showing what I need to show exactly. So I'm going to be moving to the screen whereby I'll be showing us how I go through each of these steps carefully to make sure that I have it installed properly. All right, so I'm going to start sharing my screen one more time so that we can all get this right and we can do it ourselves in the most correct way. Okay, so back to what I was saying. Once you have this, okay, the next thing is to open FriendTech on your Safari, which I have done here. And the next procedure is to add to my home screen. So following this instruction that was made or that was done here was you need to add the website to your home screen. Open FriendTech in your Safari, and once you do that, this is what happens. You need to click on share button on your Safari. So once you click on it, you're going to see the add to home screen. So you need to add to home screen. Then when you do that, you click on the add button that is here. Then you are going to see FriendTech as it is on my device. So when you have it done, just open your FriendTech app. Then you proceed to signing in. You sign in with your Gmail or Apple ID to make it faster. If you feel you are safe with using your phone, it is fine. Use any of these login methods to sign in into FriendTech. Then the next thing is to enter your email. This is not something we are used to whenever we want to sign into external application. So when you do that, it tells you it is successfully connected, good to go. Now, this is very important. Before you can join FriendTech application, you need to have an invite code. So an invite code is important, and because of that, you can get invite code from anyone who is an existing user on FriendTech. So yeah, we proceed to the next thing. What is the next thing? Let's see. Now you need to link your Twitter, and you are going to link it by clicking on the link button. It tells you what to do. Sorry, I skipped the part. Once you linked it, you are going to be required to either log into your Twitter. Then it tells you it will need access to blah, blah, blah. Then you need to authorize the application. Then you get logged in. So right now, FriendTech is a safe application. No one have complained about any security breach, but uh, in case you are not the type that like to authorize application, sorry, FriendTech might not be the best. I mean, social finance app for you. But yeah, you need to link your Twitter page. Then you you are done with I mean, we are done with that. Then the next thing is you need to deposit. Uh, you need to deposit. You need to deposit Ethereum, but the Ethereum is going to be on base chain. It is not your normal Ethereum that is on the Ethereum network. It's going to be on the base network. So this is where we need to understand and know how to bridge from one blockchain to another blockchain, or from one network to another another network. So let's see how this is done. Once again, I'm going to stop sharing my screen to also take us through that. So just try to bear with me. This is to make sure that sharing the right screen. So now one of the one of the very one of the very one of one of the very good what's it called, multi-chain or bridging platform for that people have tested and used for FriendTech, and using the best approach to know how you can save some gas fee, which is gas fee is like the payment you are making to perform some transaction, either bridging or trying to use this network. So to make sure that you are using a very low gas fee, it is advised to use orbiter.finance. So I'm going to be posting the link on the group, and I'll be making more explanation on it. So the first link is for bridging, the second link is for the link to friend.tech, and the third link is for adding this network to your MetaMask automatically. So for some of us that are used to using what's it called, SafePower, Trust Wallet, there is going to be a need to manually add your own network at this particular point, because Base is not yet a network. I don't know if it is available on other other wallets yet, but right now you need to manually add it on MetaMask. So, and that is what we have tried to show ourselves. So what is the next thing to do? The next thing for me to do is to bridge. Now, I'm going to be showing you how to bridge from Optimism. Optimism is another chain again. I'm bridging from Optimism to Base. So how do I do that? What I do is I just try to convert my stables that is available on my Binance. I converted into Optimism token, and once that is done, I sent it to my wallet, to my MetaMask wallet. So from there, I can bridge to Base network. So it is a very simple procedure. It is not something that complicated. So I'm going to open my MetaMask now and start sharing my screen again. But okay. Let me just start sharing my screen so that we all can still get to see what I'm doing. Okay, so share my screen again. Opening MetaMask, then I'm going to reload. I think I sent some Optimism to this particular address just for us to be able to test. Okay, so I don't know if I'm not sure if I have Optimism added as one of my network here, so I can just open orbiter.finance. Orbiter.finance is where I can bridge from Optimism to Optimism to Base network. So let's see if this guy is going to load. All right now I'm on Base network. Probably I need to switch to Optimism. So okay, wait. Let me see if I can switch directly. Okay, I'm coming. Let me go to settings. I don't know why this is popping up on my screen. Is Optimism okay? Optimism is not and add, I mean, it's not automatically added, yeah. Okay, so let me go to chain list. Then I add optimism again. So chain link is very simple. Add your RPC. So okay, sorry. Let me search for optimism. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. So this is optimism. Why is it telling me it is depreciated? What happened? Okay. Optimism. Wow. It is let's see. Optimism is a OP. Okay, this is OP minutes. Then let me add it to my MetaMask. Please, are you all following with, I mean, are you all with me, please? So that I won't be the one talking to myself.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sure.
All right, cool.
Yes.
All right, let's go. So I'm adding optimism to my MetaMask. I think it is already added right now. Yeah, it is added. So I can go back to orbiter.finance right here. Okay, so don't forget, I said I already sent in some optimism to this wallet. So let's check again if it is on. If it is on the network, what is happening? It should be showing it here, but I'm not sure what is happening exactly. So let me see. Let me try to just check it on chain. Oh, shit. I have optimism, but I think I need optimism. Ethereum. Do I need Ethereum again on optimism? Wow. Okay. So let me just see. It's more or less like I need Ethereum on optimism. So because of that, this is what's going to happen. Wow. And I was just trying to make sure that I'm not spending a lot of gas fee on this. I could have just even used BNB chain. Okay. Let me see. Can BNB Ethereum still do it for me? Let me see. I think I have a lot of BNB here, but I don't want to use the BNB on this account. But let's just okay. So that is just the importance of bridging. Like if you are bridging, you can bridge to any network of your choice, and it is a very simple procedure. So okay, let me switch my network. Uh, I'm trying to see how to navigate through my MetaMask. So right now I'm on OP. Okay, so now do I have enough BNB here? Okay, I have about $53 BNB. So let's check it. Okay, so let me reload it one more time. I think the amount of Ethereum needed is not that much actually. So right now, can I bridge? Okay. I think the main thing is I need Ethereum to be on my BNB as well. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I will try to just make my Ethereum to be available on Optimism network and try again. So but before then I will have to pause this and leave this call, but join again and just allow Charles to take over for a moment. I think because I'm on VPN, I won't be able to share my screen on VPN. I'm sorry, I won't be able to use my Binance or VPN. So I'll join again. I'm going to stop sharing my screen right now. So Charles, please, you can just take over. Just give me like 2-3 minutes. I'll be done with it.
All right.
Yeah, I'm leaving the call and join again.
Okay. Do anybody have anything to say about this exploring FriendTech? Because this is actually the first time I'm hearing about it. Emily, do you have anything to talk about it? Have you heard it before? This is your first time too. Didi, are you with us? Hello, guys.
I'm
I'm asking if this is actually the first time you're hearing about FriendTech. Because I think to me, this is the first time I'm hearing about it.
Same here.
Okay. I just think maybe we should wait for him to show us, demonstrate. He said he'll be back in like 3 minutes, so I think we should just wait 3 minutes.
And no. Because me,
Okay.
as just doing it, I'm just looking. I didn't even
Okay.
read yet. So let's
Okay.
just
It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Emily, are you still with us? Emily.
I guess it's not online.
Even if it's not online. So we should just wait for him to come back and continue the presentation. Yeah. Okay, he's back. Are you back? Are you back? I don't think you can hear us.
All right, please. Can you hear me now? Hello. All right.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. So I've been able to quickly send in some Ethereum in optimism from my Binance to what's it called, to this particular wallet. So we can proceed to switching on to OpenMinnet. So right now I have optimism here, and okay, so we can continue, and I'm going to be going to my browser one more time. Then on this Orbiter Finance, let me reload so that it can take immediate effect to realize that we're not trying to use optimism. Okay, so let's see if it's going to get my balance to reflect. All right, cool. So my balance is reflecting. So I can now swap how much so you can see what is happening. I'm just switching. I'm trying to send in Ethereum. The token we're using is Ethereum, but I'm trying to use a lower gas fee. So that is why I chose Optimism. If you want to use even more lower gas fee, you can choose BNB chain, but make sure that you have Ethereum in BNB chain. So you're not going to be spending quite a huge amount of money. Yeah, you can do it like this. So this is a very good bridging network. And then what I need to do next is I'm not going to be sending all my money out. I just need to send about 0.1 to is okay for whatever I want to do. Then I send it out. So now it is requesting me to confirm and send. How much is the fee for it? Is 0.001 Ethereum. I don't even know how much that is in dollar, but I think it is not too high. It is not a very high fee. Can anyone confirm the fee for me? 0.001 Ethereum.
Okay, let me try and confirm it.
All right. So just for us to see if it is expensive we will know so that we won't be. Maybe someone else can try to use BNB, but wait, are you able to confirm it?
I think it's
I'm
like 0.001 Ethereum.
okay. Good. 0.001 in Ethereum is $1.64 at the moment, so it's very good. Yeah, it is still. It is a lower amount to use for bridging. Otherwise, if
Yeah,
you have used Ethereum, yeah, exactly. If I have used Ethereum directly, it will be very, very expensive. So what I need to do right now is confirm and send. I need to click on confirm and send. So I'm confirming it from my address. And that means it's telling me that I'm going to receive zero. Let me screenshot this. Okay, good. Now it is already moving to it is moving from my optimism to base network. So now the stage is processing, it is on processing stage. So it is telling me that I'm going to receive wow, 0.013. Is the value increasing or what? Well, let's wait and see how much I get in my base network. Good. So right now it is on my base network. What do I need to do next? I need to go back to the FriendTech that actually it is taking us through all these particular stress. I'm screenshotting it so that we can have a thread on it and we can guide people that intend to use it after today. So now what next is for us to transfer. I mean, we need to switch back to base network. Right now we have Ethereum in base, right? Yeah, got it. So right now, let me see how much Ethereum I have in base. Wow, is it that low? Okay, good. Because I swap about 0.12. So yeah, okay. So I have $19 in base. And basically I think a lot of people said they started their Friend.tech app with about $19, $18, and within 2-3 days they were able to make $60 difference. So if this is possible, let's see with this particular account that I have opened, and I'm going to be sharing whatever I'm doing on it on our group so that everyone can see. So if you are also, I mean, if you also want to try it out and you feel it is worth taking on, it is fine. So we can be checking it out together. So, but all I'm doing is I'm not actually trying to go after the profit. I'm actually trying to understand how it works right now using my phones. So, what is the next thing? Let me try to open my friend.tech app again. So, I think I have it here. Is it on my Chrome? I'm not sure. It is on my Safari browser. Okay, good. So, okay, I think I will have to open it from my home screen. So I'm coming. I have to stop sharing my screen again. Sorry for doing that multiple times. Okay, good. So I will start sharing my screen again. Okay, so yeah, here we go. So this is on my home screen. Then I open Friend.tech. So let's see what happens or what pops up. Okay, don't forget, this is not a mobile app. It is just a progressive web application. It is called PWA app. So, what is it telling me to do? Okay, someone wants to say something. Can you go ahead?
The screen itself
Hello?
is not showing.
Oh, okay. Is my screen showing now?
No, no, no.
no, no.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay. Sorry, I thought it was showing. What about now?
yes, it's showing. It's showing now.
All right. Thank you so
Okay.
much. So now I opened Friend.tech earlier, but let me do it again. So opening Friend.tech now, it is telling me that I need, you will use Ethereum, the official currency of Base, when you buy and sell your friend keys. if I need to receive base, then I need to copy this address. So I've copied the address. Transfer Ethereum on base network to fund your friend.tech. So, and this is what happened. I think whenever you fund it, a lot of people would have buy a share or something like that. I don't know. But let me just proceed first. Let's see what is happening in the app. You need some Ethereum to get started using the rest of the app. We recommend at least 0.01 Ethereum, which is equivalent to $20. All right. Do you think I should just try to send it now? Let's see what happens. So I go to my, since I have 0.12. Let's try to send out 0.01. So like a lot of people said, they said sending, I mean, the gas fee on the base chain is very, very cheap. So let's check it out now. Is it very cheap? How much are they charging? We are going to see that here. So wow, I think this is extremely cheap, to be honest. See the fee. 0.00004. This is extremely cheap. How much is that? I can try to know the amount in Ethereum. Sorry. I'm trying to check that using my other phone. Okay, so 0. How many zero is that? I think that is about 3450. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, then 3. So wow. Technically, it is about $0. Maybe something cents is what they are charging. So this makes sense. To be honest, this makes sense. If the fee is very, very minute. So I'm sending it to the address generated by FriendTech, waiting for confirmation, and let's see what happens. Submitted. Okay, right now it should. Let me see. I think the chain is not that fast. It's not that far, but it's not bad. Confirmed now. So then let's go to here. Okay, good. Now, one thing that have happened is before they were using shares, but recent they changed that term to key. So if you have been seeing people talking about shares, share this, share that on FriendTech, right now those shares are now what is meant to be called key. So what is this? Everyone on FriendTech has a chat unlocked by their key. The key can be bought and sold on a person profile, and their price goes up and down based on how many are currently circulating. So that is just like what I said earlier on, that it depends on how people buy or participate in getting your shares. So the price can go up or go down based on how they are circulating. So that means you have to be very careful, know the key or the shares you are buying. So you will earn trading fee every time your keys are bought and sold by anyone. So that makes more sense. To create your profile, buy the first key to own room for free. Buying key is for $0. So let's buy a key. Okay, so we are on this. Good. Complete purchase. Yes. All right. So let's see. Like they say, there are a lot of bots on this. I mean, on this friend.tech, and sometimes some people complain that it is possible for a bot to have, buy their key before them. So let's see if this applied to everyone, or is going to apply, or it applied to just some certain people. Let's see if it's going to happen to me as well. All done. Enable notification. Yes, let me enable it because my money is there and I need to know what is happening. So I've allowed it. So don't forget, this web application will be doing like as if it is a normal app, although it has a function of a normal app, so it can actually do a lot. Now there's a disclaimer. Friend.tech is in beta. Thanks for being an early supporter and helping us test the app. So technically what they are telling us is that you are using your fund to do an experimental test on this application. So that means if you are losing your phone, there is a disclaimer to it. We've given you 3 invites to share with friends. You can find these codes in the airdrop tab. If you have any feedback, let us know on Twitter. So there is no direct communication to them. You can only tweet, and if they see your tweet, they can respond to it. All right. So let's start using the app. Post a tweet to let your friend know you joined. I don't want my friend to know yet, so I unmark this, then I start using the app. All right, cool. So my starting balance on this application right now is 0 points. Yes, that is what I'm talking about. You can see people buying my shares already. All right, good. So I think even before I bought my shares, some people have already bought. I mean, they've gotten part of my shares. So right now, I've created my Twitter earlier on, and for some people to have bought the shares, definitely, my share must have increased in value. So let's explore more to get to know more about this. So right now, how much Ethereum do I have here? 0.009 996, and for people to have bought my shares, I've been able to earn a trading fee of 0.00017. So that is the interesting thing about these shares of a thing. So what do I need to do next is to see how we can actually explore more on this. All right, so let's go. My Twitter is connected, so I don't know some restriction on the usage of this yet. Maybe it can tweet on my behalf, something like that. But I will be extremely careful with that and don't really allow it to do some action that I wouldn't want it to do. So that means you have to monitor whatever that is happening closely on this particular app. Don't forget there's a disclaimer to it. It is in a beta test, and we need to take a lot of precautions and measure on it. So let me go to the chat. What is happening in the chat room? Okay, so the chat room is talking about what? Let me see. You own 1 key, 4 holders. So like I think about 4 people already bought my shares. Okay, let me see. How many people? Just 2 people. So holding is 1 key, okay, 1 key activities, then trade. I haven't really, so that means I would still need to buy some other people's key if we are going to be, trying to see how this thing work actually. So let's explore. What am I exploring? Let me see. Is there anyone I know here I can buy their key? So, is there anyone here? Because when you buy some people key and a lot of people are buying their key, you also can. I mean, the value of that key in particular is going to increase. So that is the beauty of, FriendTech. Let me see airdrop. Okay, airdrop is where I can share my invite code. All right, I'm going to be copying this and send it to the group for people who are going to be participating in this. I think it's only for 3 people to use. I don't know how, I don't know how you can continue to invite your friends, but let's see. What is this for? Their first message to start a chat. Okay, let me just send a text message. Since we are just testing this out. Okay, can we buy okay. Let's see the moves we can we can use my key to unlock. Don't forget, it is no more called a share, so I'm not more calling it a share. Let's see the moves we can use. Let's see the doors. Okay, let's see the doors of opportunity. We can use my key to unlock. So this is just for testing, and let me give it more like a vibe. And okay, yeah, let's go. So yeah, so let's say if people that are buying my share can actually participate or respond to my chat, I don't know. But I also am going to be buying someone's share right now. But I haven't really studied, so I'm just going to be trying it out by just looking at the share. How much do I have? I have 0.00996, so I can buy a share that is very, very low. I'll buy someone's share that is not that much. Okay. So let me see. Okay, they are selling people share here. I want to see someone that just joined, and his share is very, very low. The one with 3 zeros. Let me find a share with 3 0. I'm just trying to use my head to scan. Okay, let's see this guy. You can be a lucky guy. You own 0 key, but what about if I want to buy a key? How much is this key now? How much is the key? Okay, his key is still expensive. So okay, let's check on some other guys, because this is about how much you have in your wallet, and that determines the people. I mean, the type of shares you can buy, and yeah. So probably mostly right now, the type of shares I can buy are new shares. Okay, so let me just see trending top. Okay, people with top shares. These are people having shares about 1.7 blah blah blah. No, let's look for a share that is within our own range. Okay, so which one is having 0 Ethereum? What's happening? Okay, so this guy is not yet having a lot of people buying his share, so I can buy his share. Buy a key for 2 0, right? Okay, let me just try it out. So I'm buying his key. Don't forget, this is a transaction happening on chain, like on the base chain. Like once I complete purchasing, this thing is happening immediately. Like what's it called? Yeah, the transaction is happening immediately. So let's see what happens. Yo, so the guy chats me immediately. So yo, I'm good. Let's push this key. So you can see it's actually fun. It's fun, but these things needs to be taken with extra precautions. So even me buying this guy's share, so let me see how I can monitor my shares. It's possible for someone like right now. Let me see. I mean, please, are we all still together? I don't want to be the one talking to myself. Sorry, let me check. Are we together,
Yeah,
please?
yeah.
All right,
Together.
please.
Yeah,
Are,
yeah,
are
yeah.
we catching? Are we catching up on this?
Yeah, sure.
All right, cool. So right now that I've actually bought this guy's share. I think. Wait. The guy's share I bought is actually trending. Okay. Because he is my friend, so I can monitor what have happened to his. Okay, so this is what is called friend trades. So I can actually know what is happening to my friend trade on my key. Like navigating to my key, I can see what is happening on my friend trade. So this guy right now is not having a lot of volume. A lot of people are not buying his key yet. Let me see. This is the global one. These are my friend activities. This is my own keys activity. So okay, the navigation is becoming more simpler to navigate. This is like the room whereby we can chat in with each other. This is to explore what is happening globally on the application, and this is for airdrop. Every Friday, and we have feature use case in FriendTech. No problem. If you are giving us airdrop, we are fine with that. So now, home. Let me click onto my balance. So how many trading fee have I been able to earn? There is no trading fee yet. So I believe this is something that can grow gradually, and probably maybe when more people buy my share, there can be an improvement or increase in the shares I'm holding. So let me see. Is it by searching people username that you get to know? I think there's this guy that. Okay, let me just search for someone. In general, let me just search for crypto. Okay, so it brings their name based on their Twitter username. All right, so you have to know anyone that you feel like buying their share. You have to know their username on Twitter. So that is cool. Uh, right, that is cool. So I don't really see it. It is cool though. It is cool, but it's still kind of boring if you are not making money. So right now, there is nothing I want to do again on this application. I feel like they should put some more ginger. It look boring, kind of. If I'm not buying share or not doing anything, or I don't have anybody to buy my share, it can just be an application that looks so boring, and I have to be playing. It's more or less like a Ponzi scheme. For my share to grow now, I have to start looking for a number of people to buy my share. So, well, it's fine, but just if you see it as an opportunity, grab it and let's exploit. Like right now, you see, I'm also testing it, but don't forget, I'm using the fund that I can afford to lose. So if this is going to go positive I mean after 3 days, I'm able to make up to $60 profit. It's fine. And if it is going to be turning the other way around, then it's good by me as well. So I believe we've been able to learn one thing. I mean, an important information pass across tonight, and we've been able to learn something tonight. I'll be stopping here. This is FriendTech. This is all we need to know. Please, do you have any question before I wrap it up?
I have a question though.
All right, thank you so much. Go ahead.
Okay. After, if people buy your keys, the gas
Mm-hmm.
fee that they're actually paying, it belongs to you, right?
Yes, yes. That is what
So can we be able
I
to,
screenshotted.
okay. So
I
can we be able to
screenshotted it.
withdraw it? Can we be able to withdraw it once we reach a certain amount?
Sure. That is the joy of it. So this is it. You will earn trading fee every time your keys are bought or sold by anyone. So once anyone buy your key or sell them, you are
Is there a way to
getting
promote?
a trading fee.
Is there a way to promote your own sale, like your key now, to promote your sale so that people can see it and buy it, or which is like automatic? It just trades on
Let
its
me
own.
see. That is one of the things I'm talking about. Navigating this app is not yet rigid. They've not really perfect a lot of things on this app. So okay, so like what you said now, how do I even tell people that I'm on FriendTech? So they actually need to put something that okay, share to my Twitter page or something like that. So if you don't know my Twitter handle right now, you won't be able to actually know my share. So except okay, if I want to invite someone, I can invite someone using this code. This is clear enough. So I can copy my code, invite you. But I think one thing to do is assuming you're on this app, I can use your username to search for you. What is your username? Or do you know of anyone
I'm not
using
on the app.
Friend.tech? Okay, do you
I
know of
don't think I know,
anyone?
but I'll try to. No.
All right. So,
I'll try
okay, so if
to
you
get
don't
it.
know of anyone, let me see all these these popular guy if he's on Friend.tech. Danny, let me see Danny Crypt if he's on Friend.tech. All right, that's it. So this is how you can buy people share. So Danny Crypt is on Friend.tech, having 30 people buying his shares, and yeah, this is it. So mostly the people buying a share are people following him on Twitter. So if you are, if you mostly if you are if you are an active Twitter user, a lot of your Twitter friends will be able to buy your keys. Yeah, they'll be able to buy your keys. But you can see this thing. This thing looks boring to me. Why? Because if you are not a, I mean, you have to promote. You have to promote your key. That is one thing about it. Which of course some people will be able to promote their key, make money with it, and for some people it will be a very, very hard one to promote because why do I have to start searching for your Twitter name before I can, it is just how it is right now. Maybe the people that develop this thing can find more interesting features to it in the future. It is still in a better phase. We can still be enjoying what we are seeing right now. And this is just more of education for us to check on what is happening on friend.tech. So yeah, that is it. Do we have any question, please? Didi, do you have any question for us?
Didi, no,
Before we can,
actually.
okay.
What do you
The
say,
thing just,
Didi?
no, I didn't like, the thing is just that, this friend.tech app, like, they don't have the
Mm-hmm.
app, so you have to use your, this thing. You have to use your browser to actually log into your, this thing, according to what you did earlier, Shay.
Yes. Like I have everything screenshotted. I'm going to be creating a thread on it, share it with everyone. So let me go back again.
My own,
So
my
yeah,
own, my
just
own, this
like
thing is, okay, now,
mm-hmm,
let's say, okay, I have your key now, like, I buy your key now. So what if you decide
mm-hmm.
to just sell your key? Like, how will I know, like, okay, you are going to sell your key, and so that me myself too, can I actually sell the key I bought from you? So that's another angle
Yes,
that me
of
I'm actually
course.
seeing. Okay.
Yes. Like for example, now, I bought someone key. Let me see if
Yeah.
I wanted to sell this guy key. How am I going to do that? That is a good question, actually. So let me see how I can sell his key. I already bought his key. He chatted me immediately. He saw that I bought his key. So okay, this is his page on Twitter. I mean, on X app. So I can even check on him on X app. Yeah. Okay. So, but before that, let's see what is happening. Let me see how I can turn his notification on, or what is this? Okay. I don't know about this. Okay, I can turn his notification on or off. But let's see how I can sell the key I bought. Wow. This oh trading fee end 0.003. What happened? It looks reduced. Oh, am I wrong?
Yeah, it
Before I
was
was having
zero
about
point one seven before.
007. What happened? Let me check. Are the people holding my key? Do we have anyone that sold? Okay, so what's happening to my friend
I
shares?
thought it looked like it increased because it was in 001, now it's 003, I guess.
Okay, so it increased that bit. Probably
Yes.
someone, but there is no activity happening on any of these key though. There is no activity yet. So my friends, global. But see, the question you asked, I'm still trying to see how I can. Okay, it is telling me that you own one key. I have three orders. But me, I have two holdings. So okay, now yeah, I've navigated to here. So these are my holders, the order of my key, right? How many key
Okay.
am I holding? I'm holding myself key and another person key. So what is the activity that happened? This is it. This is the trade. But the question is, how am I going to sell my key? So I don't think once you buy a key, I don't think you can sell a key. I'm not sure. But let me see. Let me try to even do the withdraw Ethereum, transfer Ethereum to another wallet on base. Okay, so my wallet balance is 0.00655, and I started with 0.1, right?
Uh,
Yeah, I think I started with 0.1. Yes, I can check on my MetaMask how much I sent to the wallet address. Yeah, as I started with 0.01. So right now I think I'm at loss. Why? Why am I at loss?
But you bought
My
no.
okay. Yeah, that's true. I bought someone's key. I bought someone's key. Okay. And right now, what you were talking about is how can I sell
The
the
key you bought,
person's key?
yeah.
I'm not saying it, though, to be honest. Okay. Your keys, my friend, global. What is happening? Home. Okay, this is a home. This is the chat. This is explore. This is airdrop. And when I go to my balance, I don't. I'm not sure you can sell keys. There is no option to sell keys here. Maybe I'll still need to find out later on, but I don't think there's an option to sell key. I think once you buy a key, it is either the price goes up or it goes down, and or probably maybe whenever they trade on that fee, that is when I earn a particular amount of Ethereum. Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So that is what we are trying it together. I haven't used this before, so let's see what is happening with it. But what people said was that they started with 0.01 Ethereum and they were able to make up to $60 profit within 3 days. So let's see if this is going to be the result we are going to be getting here. Although I will tell some people to buy my shares. Let's see what will happen if they buy my shares, and let's see the result actually. So we'll still have a brief discussion on this tomorrow again to know how far it is going.
Okay, no
But
problem.
so yeah, uh so far this is the status of friend.tech. I think this guy shares increased. I don't know. I bought it at $5. Right now is at $6.6. So this guy key increased in value. I bought it at $5. Right now it is at $6. Let me see the amount I bought it. Yeah, this is it. You can see the amount I bought the key, 0.0306. So right now is the value is at 0.004. So this guy key value have increased. And what about my own? Also, the value have increased. Also, the value have increased. So right now I only have to wait. Uh, Let me say I can only see buy. Okay. This is what you were saying. Um, what, Didi, you asked the question, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
it was Didi that asked.
Yes, I think this is where you can sell the key.
Where did you
It,
tap together to
le-
get this option?
all right. So I went to the chat, then click on the guy's key. I mean on this guy profile picture, and then I click on buy. So clicking on buy is giving me an option to either buy or sell the key.
Or
So
It's
let me see if
okay.
I click on sell, what happens? So how much am I going to be selling it? Oh, I think if I'm selling it, there is a trading fee of $0.01. Sell details. So it is not profitable to sell at the moment. I'll be at loss. So let me just leave it. But I can buy more. Yes, I can buy more. So, this is what they are saying. Right now, if I want to buy more, the value have increased. So I have to wait until someone buy more of these keys. That is making more sense right now. So let me see my own. What about my own? Can I sell my key? Let me see if I can sell my key. Okay, cool. It's more or less like I can sell my key also. So so I can sell my key. So if I sell my key, I'll also be at loss. I'll be at loss if I'm selling my key. Yeah. No, sorry, I'll be at profit. How much did I buy my key? Let me check. It's telling me that we say 30 with 22. I think I'll be at loss. How much did I buy my own key? Let me see.
003. Okay. So that's 0.0003.
Mm,
306.
mm, okay. So I think I'll be at loss if I'm trying to also do that. But when I bought my key. No, I won't be at loss. I'll be at profit actually. I'll be at profit. Yeah, I'll be at profit. Why? Because this is it. When I bought my key, I mean, when I opened the app, my key was at 0 Ethereum. Now these two guys, they bought my key to. I mean, yes, this one, two. Yeah, I think 3 people bought my key. Yeah, 3 people bought my key. Ford, Dean, then Jean. Okay, sorry, 2 people bought my key. Yes, 2 people bought my key. So I'll be at profit actually. All right, so that is it on Friend.Tech. Do we have more questions, please? Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Yeah, you can hear you.
Yeah. Do we have more questions?
No, I don't think so. I have a question.
All right, cool. So, Charles, you can wrap it up, and yeah, we can stop sharing my screen now. Yeah. So anyone can still explore Friend.Tech, check out what is happening there. And yeah, it is just like that right now. And we've been able to say that how we can navigate through it and start using it on base network. So it is another interesting application for us on Web3, and we can enjoy the technology as it grows. So yeah, Charles, please take over and let's close it for tonight. Thank you so much, everyone.
All right, thank you very much. Since there's no more question, I think we can call it a night. So I also appreciate Emily D and our wonderful, presenter for this beautiful and wonderful presentation he has given us. So I think I would like try out the FriendTech. I think it's something that we are going to benefit from. So I urge all of us to try it out. So I think after this call, I'm going to try it out. Well, since we're calling it a night, so I want to thank Emily DD for joining us. And we'll be having our class tomorrow, another class tomorrow, so we can continue. And on every Sundays, we used to have our Twitter space, or let me say X space. For now, that's all I'm going to say for now. But if you have any contribution or any question you want to ask, you can do well ask before we call it a night.
I'll just call it a day.
Okay, all right. Well, good night, everybody, and have a wonderful night rest.
Yeah, good
All
night.
right. Goodbye.